operator, this mission is called Install Quest. Your goal is install Windows 11 in a virtual environment using VirtualBox.
So we are running Windows inside Windows.
Exactly. That's what you call virtualization. It lets you create a separate simulated computer inside the real one.
Sounds like digital sandbox.
That's one way to put it. Let's prepare your system. First, you need two tools. First, VirtualBox, the software that lets you run another operating system inside your computer. And a Windows 11 ISO, a digital copy of the Windows installation disk.
The VirtualBox is like container, and Windows is what goes inside it.
Exactly. Together, they'll form your virtual system. Before we proceed, make sure your computer can handle virtualization. It allows VirtualBox to run another system smoothly.
Virtualization.
It's a hardware feature that allows your computer to create and run virtual machines efficiently. First, make sure virtualization is enabled on your system. It's what allows virtual machines to run.
How do I check if it's enabled?
Press Ctrl+Shift and Escape or locate the search icon, then type Task Manager. Go to Performance to CPU and look for Virtualization Enabled. If it says Enabled, you'll need to enable it in your BIOS.
Got it. Mine says enabled.
Perfect! You also need at least 4 GB of RAM and about 50 GB of free storage space. More is better for smoother performance. Now, access VirtualBox.org, the official site. Download the installer for your operating system.
There is one for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. I grabbed the Windows version.
Good! Always download from official source to avoid corrupted or unsafe installers. Next, download the Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft's website. Choose the correct edition, confirm the version, and start the download.
This file is big, around 7 gigabytes.
Yes, that's normal. It contains the full installer, just like a physical setup disk. Once both files are downloaded, check that they are complete. The VirtualBox installer should be an .exe file, and the Windows ISO should be several gigabytes in size.
Got them both.
Good! That means you're ready to install VirtualBox in the next level. Level 1 complete. You've gathered all the tools needed for installation.
So next we install VirtualBox, right?
That's right. Proceed to level 2 installing VirtualBox. Welcome to level 2. In this part, we'll install VirtualBox, the main program that lets us run a virtual operating system.
So this is where the virtual machine will live.
Exactly. Once it is installed, we can create a virtual system safely inside your computer. Locate the installer you downloaded earlier. It's usually inside your downloads folder.
So I need to run it as admin.
If your Windows account already has administrator's rights, double-clicking is fine. But if you ever get permission or driver errors, you can reinstall later using Run as administrator.
Set up window open.
Good! Click Next to continue. We'll keep most settings at their default values for now. These options control what part of VirtualBox gets installed. Keep everything checked that includes USB support and networking. They'll let your virtual machines connect to device and the internet.
Alright, leaving them all on.
You can leave the installation path as default. VirtualBox will install to your main drive under Program File.
It say my network might reset temporarily.
That's normal. VirtualBox can create virtual network adapters so your VMs can connect online. Everything looks good. Click Install to begin. If Windows asks for confirmation, just allow it.
Got it. Starting installation now.
Installation complete. VirtualBox is now installed and ready to use. Level 2 complete. VirtualBox is now ready. Up next, we're going to create your virtual machine. Level 3, Virtual Machine Creation. This is where the setup of the virtual system that will run Windows 11. Launch VirtualBox. You'll see an empty list. That's where all your virtual machines will appear.
It's open. Looks simple enough.
Click New to start creating your first virtual machine.
There's a field for the name, location, and ISO file.
Right, name it anything you like. For example, Windows 11 VM. And make sure the folder path is easy to find. Next, attach the Windows 11 ISO you downloaded earlier. It acts as your virtual installation disk.
So this is like inserting a real DVD but digitally.
Exactly, just like the same setup process, just like virtual. See this checkbox? That's from the unattended installation feature. We'll disable it so we can install Windows manually later. Now, allocate memory. Windows 11 needs at least 4 GB of RAM to run properly. More if your system allows it.
I give it 8 GB for now.
Perfect. That gives Windows plenty of breathing room. Next, adjust the processor count. By default, VirtualBox assigns just 2 cores.
I will increase it to 4 cores.
Good choice. That will speed up performance. Just make sure to leave some CPU power for your host system on it. Stay stable. Next, create a virtual hard disk. This is where Windows will be installed inside the VM.
So this file acts like the computer storage.
Exactly. VirtualBox saves it as a single file, usually a .bdi. Set your virtual disk size. Windows 11 needs around 64 GB to run comfortably and choose BDI as the disk size.
I will set it to 64 GB then.
Perfect. Click Create to finish. Now your virtual machine is ready. It now has its own memory, storage, and ISO attached.
So it's like blank PC waiting for Windows.
Exactly. Now we'll install the operating system inside it. Level 3 complete. You created your first virtual machine. Level 4, the main installation. We'll now install Windows 11 inside your virtual machine.
So this is the part where the virtual PC actually boots.
Exactly. Once this is done, you'll have a working Windows 11 system running inside your computer. But first, open your newly created virtual machine.
Press any key to boot from the ESO. That's your virtual installation disk.
I see the Windows logo. It's loading.
Good. That means the ISO is completely working. The Windows setup window should appear. Choose your language, kind, and keyboard layout, then click Next.
Got it, then I install now, right?
Yes, that starts the installation process.
It's asking if I want to install or repair Windows.
Choose Install Windows 11. This repair option is only for fixing an existing installation, not for new setups like ours. You might see a notice that everything on the selected drive will be deleted.
Yeah, it say all files, apps, and settings will be erased.
That's normal. for a clean install. We're installing on a fresh virtual drive, so it's safe to continue. Select your preferred edition. Windows 11 Pro is a good choice for most users.
Then click Next.
Right. Then accept the license terms. Next is the license agreement. Scroll through and check I accept the license terms.
Do I need to read all of it?
You can, but mostly legal text. What matters is you're agreeing to Microsoft's usage terms. Now select the virtual drive you created earlier. It will show as drive 0 unallocated space. Just click Next and install Windows will handle the partitions automatically.
Got it. Starting installation.
Windows is now installing files. This setup takes several minutes depending on your system. After restarts, you'll go through the first step, Space. Choose your region and keyboard layout.
There's an option for second keyboard layout.
You can skip that unless you use multiple languages.
Now, it wants me to name the device.
That's optional, but naming helps organize your virtual machine. You can enter something like Win11BM or Test PC.
Alright, naming it Win11BM.
It's now installing for those updates. Depending on your internet connection, this can take a while.
Got it, waiting again. Now, it's asking me to connect to a network.
If you have internet access, you can connect now. It will help Windows download updates during setup.
What if I skip it?
You can click I don't have internet to continue offline. You'll later see once Windows is fully installed.
It's asking me to sign in with a Microsoft account.
You can either log in with an account or choose offline account if you prefer not to sign in right now. Windows uses a PIN for quick sign-in. It's stored locally for security.
Setting a simple one for now.
You'll be asked about your privacy and data collection. You can turn off any option you're not comfortable with.
It's offering to back up phone contacts.
That's optional. Click skip. We can start that up later. You can skip that Microsoft 365 offer and PC Games Pass. It's just a subscription offer and it's optional. Windows is finishing the setup. Once complete, you'll see the desktop.
Almost there.
Good job! Installation is almost done. And that's it. We've successfully installed Windows 11 inside VirtualBox.
So to recap, we prepared our tools, created a virtual machine, and completed the full Windows setup.
Exactly. Now your virtual environment is ready for testing, learning, or exploring without affecting your main computer. Great work!
Level up. Installation complete. Welcome to Windows 11.